Hello, welcome back to your channel Trade and Grow. This is our daily analysis video. So I'll discuss about today's trading potential entries. This is my Telegram screen and you can see 24th of June. Okay, I will start first with the first message which I gave at around 9:49. Okay, you can see this message 9:49. What I wrote: with this much of trading, one thing is clear, do not try to short market. Okay, just at 9:49 I gave this message to you that please do not short this market. Let me show you what happened after this message. See here, this is the graph of today's movement. First of all, first see about these cycles. I have denoted the main cycle with the blue color and subtest cycle with the brown color and major cycle with the pink color and minor subtest cycle with the green color and micro subtest cycle with the white color. See, till now you were only aware with these four cycles. Today I introduced the white color points called micro subtest cycle. Okay, this is the new cycle which I introduced today because today's formation forced me to show you this cycle also. So that is why I introduced it today. Now let me take you to the statement. Whatever the statement I gave at 9:45, I show you what happened in this chart and why I told you not to go short at this market. See, this is the first candle which opened today. Okay, and this candle is having a very good buying pressure. Okay, when this candle was made at 9:49, it means when the price was at this level, 9:49. Okay, this was the candle at 9:49. At this candle I told you please do not short the market. Okay, at this candle I gave you the information 9:49. So you can see after this the market gave you this movement and it went long. That is why I told you not to short the market. At this point I cleared you, and since this is the movement which is not meant for trading, okay, and in that moment people got enticed with this movement and somewhere at this level or at this level they started to go short. After that, what happened? The market moved to upside. See, basically trading is a discipline. You will have to be patient about the every movement. If you are not able to understand the movement of the market, you will not be able to gain from the market. Okay, when I clearly mentioned at this time, please do not short the market, though people got enticed and they shorted the market. Later on they realized that this is the mistake and they came out from the positions, and I show you the messages also where they themselves admitted that they should not go short. See this message, someone gave this message at 12:26. Okay, this is the message I got at 12:26. In this message, good afternoon sir, once again you saved me for shorting PNF, but I am little confused as if how to place today's marking, waiting for your afternoon video to get confirmation of today's marking. See here, this person himself wrote that he could not short, he wanted to short the market but he did not, just because of my message, he didn't short the market. That's why his loss was saved. Similarly, you see this message also. Now you can see this message also. 12:17, this person also wrote, "Sir, I cannot thank you enough. You must have saved many people who were planning to go short on the rise. You saved me at least for this also." Okay, so my messages, my words are very precious to give you the correct guideline for the trading. That is why you were all saved by going wrong into the trade. Okay, now see this message also. See this message also. Trading is all about timing, which comes with the patience. That I wrote for everybody. Please read this message. This is very special message for every trader. Trading is all about timing, okay, which comes with the patience. If you have patience, then you can time your trade. And in trading, you need perfect timing for making money. If you do not have patience, you cannot go for perfect timing, and you will definitely lose whenever your timing is bad. Okay, now next message. See this message. I gave this message at 1:55. 13:55 I gave this message. In this message what I wrote, long side positions today, trade cautiously. It means at 1:55 I cautioned the people who were in the long position that please trade cautiously. And you can see when I informed about this, what happened in the market. Let me check the candle first. 135, 155 candle. Okay, that is 155 candle. Okay, this is the candle which is 155 candle. At this point of time I informed you, please trade cautiously for long, because the market started its long journey from this point, and when the price came to this level, I informed you that please be cautious about the long positions, and after that you can see a fall. That is how I saved your profit also, by giving us such concrete information. Please let me ask you, why market fell from this point? Why market did not did not prove me wrong? Why market did not go from this level to upside, proving me wrong? So this is the question which you have to ask yourself. I am giving you such a concrete information. Before anything happens, I save you even for the long position. If you do not exit from this position in the long side, your profit would have gone. See, 50% profit gone at this level, because the market, the next candle crashed very badly. You can see this. Okay, so this is how I try my level best to save you all from these messages. Okay, now let me take one more message so that you could get the idea what sort of precision I share with you. Just check this message. 14:23. At 14:23 what I wrote, no one should be in the trade at this point of time. Everything is ambiguous. It means everything is confused. Please do not trade. If you are in the long position, exit from the long position. If you are in the short position, please exit from the short position. No trading, because market is ambiguous this time. And 14:23 I gave this message. Let us see what happened after this message. Let me check the candle first. This is the candle 14:23. Okay, 14:23. This candle. Okay, you can see here at around this candle, I gave you information that everything is ambiguous. Please do not trade. Everything is confused in this movement. Please do not trade. So you can see after this what happened. Market came down and then recovered and making trapped. Even the market trapped this bears also, and here the market trapped bulls also. So there is no movement here. You can see such sort of perfection. If I hide this graph, at this level, okay, at this level, do you know that market is going to fall? Even at this level, when I gave the first message at this point, do you know the market is going to crash at this level? No, nobody knows, because it is moving upside. How can you imagine that price is going to move down? Just because of the depth, because of this system which I created, the words 5-minute intraday techniques, which let you know what is going to happen in the market. If you have that sort of expertise in this system, only then you can know. Otherwise, you will not get any prior information regarding any trend and what is going to happen in the market. Okay, this will make you aware that at this level nobody can think that price is going to down, and it will be ambiguous also. Okay, now you see here going down and became ambiguous also. It means no trading zone. Okay, so this sort of precision I every day try to share with you, and I tell you, if you also want to get this sort of precision, please follow my every word and instruction regarding this system, that is what's 5-minute intraday techniques. Okay, now let us discuss about the trade today. What happened today and where were your potential entries? Okay, let us start with this point. So now you can see this is the cycle. Okay, first testing and second testing. As everybody knows, those who are joining me first time, they would know all these rules only when they will watch my previous videos, that is the playlist of suggested video. I would recommend all the newcomers to see the suggested video in my channel, so that they can be aware of the guidelines which have to be followed in this system. Okay, see, this is the second point of testing of micro subtest cycle. So it means whenever you get the information of second testing, okay, this is the second testing. Basically this point is the second testing, but when price opened at this point and took buying pressure, so this become your the point from where you will have to start. You will have to find your reasons for the entry, okay, towards the upside, towards that direction which is tested by price. Now see here, after this hammer candle, the price tested this time also with this candle and gave you this bullish candle. When this bullish candle was formed and again this was tested, it means this is the right point to go for the upside entry. Okay, so this was your first potential trade. Why this trade was taken? Just let me count the two logics for you. This is the second test and the big buying pressure, and this big buying pressure is further tested by this black candle, and this black candle, after this black candle you got the bullish candle. Okay, with this bullishness you got the opportunity to go upside. So these were the 2-3 reasons which should be taken care of, so that you can go upside. And this is your entry point. Where will be your stop loss point? Your stop loss point would be at this level. At this level. Why at this level? Because this is very big candle. You cannot keep your stop loss at this low. So what will you do? You will keep your stop loss below this EMA. Okay, this EMA is breached at this point, so this will become your stop loss point. And why you will have to exit at this point? Because if you see this candle, okay, this is the inverted hammer candle, which gives you the information that whatever the move you are seeing at this level, now it's time to exit from this level, because inverted hammer has already been made. Okay, so at this point you will have to take your profit for the first position. Now see here, at this point the price started the counter trend cycle. This is the counter trend cycle. Okay, and in counter trend cycle I have already I have already told you in my guidelines that whenever the counter trend move starts, the price will test two times, first testing and second testing, and these are the subtest cycle. These are the this is the subtest cycle in which price tested it two times. So this cycle got completed at this point. After this point, the again this cycle, that is green cycle, and green cycle denotes about minor subtest cycle. So this cycle started from again this point. Okay, now you can see the first testing, second testing, and third testing. These were the three testing. These were the testing by the micro subtest cycle, and again the price completed here the first cycle, this cycle. Okay, and now here what price did? Price again went into the counter cycle, and the counter cycle is consist of the two testing point, first and second. These are the two testing points which is made by the counter cycle, and the cycle starts from this point. See, as the cycle start, counter trend cycle starts from this point and made first testing and second testing. Similarly here the price made first testing and second testing. Okay, now see this point, this is the second trade of the day, because there were only two trades today, and second trades logic are there. See, this is the testing of the new cycle, that is the minor subtest cycle, and this is the second point. And you know, when 2 points are made by the testing, then you will have to search for your trade. It hardly matters which cycle is tested, only 2 points have to be made, and after that you have to search for your setup, and this is your setup. Why this is your setup? You can see here the price tested 2 times. Okay, and this is what, this is the evening star pattern. It means that gives you, that is the reversal pattern of the upside move. It means if this pattern is working, that it means you should the price should move downside. But here the price could not breach what level? At this level. The price could not breach this level. If this signal is not false signal, then price should move downside. But here the price did not move downside, and this point became the support point of this setup, and this is your first reason that price did not break. First reason is two testing, second reason is price did not break this point, proving it the false signal. Okay, false reversal signal. And the third point is that this is the 27 EMA, and price took support of 27 EMA, and this gave you the bullish candle. It means the price is going to move upside. That is why I put your first your trade entry point at this level. This is your trade entry point. Okay, after that you can see the price moved upside, and when this doji candle was made, because the price traveled from this point to this point, it is almost about 300 points. So when price reached at this level, so this is the information where you have to book your profit. You need not to wait for the next two candles. Okay, you have to book your profit at this level. Although the price went upside, little bit upside, that's hardly matters, because if the price moved downside from this level also, your profit would be eaten. So don't, in intraday trades, your exit is very swift. Do not wait. If you will wait, you will lose your profit. So this indication is quite enough for the exit. Okay, so these were the two trades. One should have been taken these trades while trading, and after that the price went into the consolidation. So for tomorrow, what may happen? It may happen that this cycle, which started from the counter trend cycle, which started from this point, okay, that will continue further, or if the price takes out this level, then this cycle, new cycle, this cycle subtest minor subtest cycle will start. Okay, these are the two scenarios. Let us see what happens tomorrow next. because this is the total game of price behavior. So I think I have taken enough time today and have explained everything in detail. So I think you got the today summary is a new cycle. I introduced it to you, that is called micro subtest cycle. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.